Oh, welcome back, my faithful viewers, and welcome to another video. So, as you can see, we're going to do a taste test. I know. We just did one Tuesday. We got another one today. So, you may have seen these in the stores. But we're going to do some peanut butter jelly. We got grape. We got strawberry. And this I found on the side. This is supposed to be a draft latte. It's coffee roasted, the colombe. Not gonna try it. And there is absolutely no alcohol in this. So why is it a draft latte? Is beyond me. I guarantee you, there's no alcohol. First things first, because I'm a coffee holic. Yes, I love coffee. Anyone knows? Ooh, I love coffee. Ooh. Okay, right off the bat, I can smell this. This has a really nice, robust, round coffee smell. Ooh, I like it. This is how bad of a coffee freak I am. I used to have the Starbucks membership card. Mine was not green, it was black. We'll just leave it at that. But yeah, it was a special one. Okay, so we're gonna taste this. Right into it. Okay, that's not overly sugared. It's it's coffee. You know it's coffee. You can taste it's coffee. I don't taste too much sugar, which I'm not understanding. Well, it has natural cane sugar, so it's not processed. It's not like a fruit sucrose or whatever. It's actual sugar. Wow. I need to put this aside because, as you could tell, I am guzzling it, which is never good to do with coffee. That is so yummy. Oh my god. This is good. I mean, I could see if you're in a rush, you could take it to work with you on the bus, in your car, whatever. All right, so we're gonna do the big cup Reese's peanut butter and strawberry jelly. I prefer grape jelly over strawberry. However, I will not turn my nose up at strawberry jelly sandwich. Alright, so let's go ahead see what this looks like. So it is a nice big, I don't know what that is over there. I think it's just, ooh, excuse me, leftover sugar. But yeah, I don't know what that is over there. But there's the cup. Top looks normal. Nothing special. Let's go ahead. So that is a thick piece of chocolate. Okay, hang on a minute. Let's see. Do I still have my butter knife around here? Babe, did you sweat my butter knife? Alright, not a problem. Not a problem. I'm just going to break in half. Ooh, that was a nice break. Did you hear that? Ooh. All right, I want to break this to where you can actually see it. So let me go ahead. Okay, all right. So there is a tiny, tiny bit of strawberry jelly at the bottom. But maybe that's all you need. Let's see what happens. Mmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. It does not taste like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Absolutely not. You could taste the strawberry. The chocolate is trying to find a way in there, and the peanut butter is definitely there. You can taste all three flavors, but I don't think they play very well together. I don't think it's as tasty as I thought it would be or as it would sound. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't care for it. The strawberry jelly. The thing is that Reese's peanut butter chocolate, I mean peanut butter, a Reese's peanut butter cup. The filling is very, very specific. It has a balance of sweet and saltiness. If you're gonna add something else that's sweet, you need to increase that saltiness, which throws the whole recipe out the door. Now I'm a little afraid of the jelly, the grape jelly one, because the strawberry didn't play well. But can the grape jelly play well? Let's go ahead. Oh, that broke nicely. Okay. All right. All right. Ooh, you see that? Now that's a nice piece of jelly right there. Okay. So you see, same thing. It's a little bit of jelly along the bottom. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh. Oh, the grape jelly is really good. I mean, mm, it's not like Save the World, We Cured Something. It's definitely pleasant. Between the grape jelly and the strawberry jelly, I think the grape jelly is a better match. Because the bottom line, that fruit has got to play well with the Reese's peanut butter because it is very, very particular. Any variation of any kind is going to throw everything off. So, yeah, in my opinion, the grape flavored PB&J Reese's Peanut Butter Cup is my favorite over the strawberry one. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. So go ahead. Buy your own. Make your own decision. I guarantee you, the grape one, in my opinion, makes a better combination. Thank you for this quick little taste test. I hope you have fun. Go out, get your own little goodies, try it for yourself. Let me know how you feel. Until next time, guys, I was known for the best, prepared for the worst, and I guarantee you kids will get up somewhere in the middle. Till next time, bye.